Hi, Alejandro. This is Tisha. We spoke earlier today. Thank you so much for taking out some time and watching my video. I came across your company. I was doing some research on plumbers in Fairfield. So I just wanted to take a look to see how you are doing in comparison to your competitor in the area. So the first thing we will talk about today will be content, citations, and backlinks. Now, I pulled up plumbers in your area, and the first thing that I found is what's called a map pack. And with this is actually a really good thing that you're showing up as number one. Generally, if someone Googles or puts in something for plumbing, the first company that pops up, then they're going to go ahead and give them a call. So that's actually a very positive thing that you are listed there in this map pack or Google My Business. The only thing I don't see though is that you have a website. So that might be an area to where you're missing out on business because there is no website. Okay, so I do want to say this though. When I Google your actual company name, I do see that you have presence throughout the internet. So you're on Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Facebook, um, Build Zoom, Yellow Pages. So you do have a presence online. So you may want to consider getting a website. Now, citations are anywhere that you can find your business name, phone number, and address. So in your case, again, you are listed here online. So the more citations that you have is going to bring you business. The next will be backlinks. Now, this is something that's actually on a website. So unfortunately, I'm not able to show for yourself, but I can look at your competitor. So when Googling for plumbers in Fairfield, organically, the first company that comes up is going to be Jeffrey Gray Plumbing. So let's go ahead and take a look at their website. Okay, so this is their website. Now, with this, they have what we call content. So that's going to be anything that you see on the website. So any words, keywords, pictures, what the pictures are saved as, what's behind the pictures, anything that's listed, then that's going to be considered content. You want to make sure that you have a minimum of 1,500 words. That way you can have the keyword spread throughout the website. So I just wanted to just show you, just take a look at your top competitor in Fairfield. Now we do have a tool that we can use, and I just want to let you see how they're doing. So right now they're utilizing 411 keywords. And these keywords that people are typing in would be plumber in Fairfield. Um, these are some of the things that people are typing in to get to their business. Okay. And when people type in those keywords, then again, more people will come to the website. So that's business that could be coming over to you. And this is what we're seeing. So they're getting about 122 people per month coming to their website. And then the next thing would be backlinks. Now backlinks are anywhere that is listed on the web to where it will lead back over to your website. So again, for this company, they have about 105. Now backlinks are not all the same. So you want to have some good quality backlinks. For example, if you were to have one from a backlink from a restaurant versus a hardware store, then that might generate different amount of business. So we want to make sure that we're always having really good backlinks. So I did just want to, again, send this video over to you so you can see how you're doing. And again, any of if these tips are something that's helpful for you, then you're welcome to go ahead and use this on your own. If you do want to talk more in depth in regards to the tips that I provided, please give me a call back at 916-378-9773. And again, thank you for taking time out to watch my video. I hope you have a good day.